Good morning, students. Myself Akshay Kumar Srivastav, and this is my new video of class 6, and your chapter is chapter 7, working in MS Excel. Okay, and today I will discuss that topics given on your book, page number 75, that is entering data in a worksheet, making selections in a worksheet, and editing data in a worksheet. In this, editing data in cell, overwriting data of cell, copying data, moving data, and deleting cell contents. Okay, that is given on your book, page number 76 and 77. And students, one thing is that in these days there is a copy checking and book correction is going on the school. So in this week I will not give any written work to you. Okay, I have only sent the videos of that related to the chapter, so all of you watch the videos and understand. In these days, students, there is a copy correction and book correction is going on the school, so I will not send any written work to you. Okay, I will send only the videos. Okay, so all of you watch the videos of the chapters, okay, and understand the chapters, what I want to say about the chapter. Okay, and one thing is very important thing is that all of you complete your work. Okay, because 10 marks is related to your work. Okay, when your work is completed, then you got the 10 mark easily. If your work is not completed, then I think you not got 10 marks. Okay, so all of you complete your book copies. Okay, so we start today, and I think all of you fine. Good morning once again. I will send you good morning. Okay, and so we start the chapters. Okay, student. Entering data in a worksheet. We have learned to enter data into a worksheet and make changes to it in the previous class. Here is a quick recap of how to enter and edit data in a worksheet. The steps to enter data in the cells are as for: to make a cell active, click inside it, type in the required data in the active cell. The data will also appear in the formula bar. Press the enter key or click on the enter button on the formula bar. If you want to cancel the entered data, click on the cancel button. Okay, and use the above steps to fill data in the worksheet as shown. So very easy is that. If you want to type anywhere, I will show you. First you open the MS Excel that I has already opened it. Name, very easy. Okay, move the cursors. Okay, and you have to easily date of birth, whatever you want. Name Ritesh. Sorry. Okay, whatever you want, then you have to easily type. Okay, easily you can type. Okay, students, that is very easy. Class 6, class 6, class 6, class 6, whatever is that. Okay, if you want to date of birth, then easily you have to write it. Okay, Malia. Okay, whatever is that, easily you have to type. Okay, whatever is the date of birth is that, you have to easily type. Okay, student. Easily you can type, that is the way. Now, making selections in a worksheet. The following table lists some common ways of selecting data in MS Excel. To select a single cell, click anywhere inside the cell. Click data on to select data in a cell. Double click in the cell and then select the data part. To select a range of adjacent cell, to select non-adjacent cells, to select an entire row, to select an entire column, to select multiple adjacent rows and columns or non-adjacent rows and columns, to select the entire worksheet. To cancel a selection, click any cell on the worksheet. Okay, so all that things are written. I will show you. Select a single cell, click anywhere, that is selected. Okay, and look, the name, the selected cell name is, address is written in that address box. Okay, and the active cell is that, and the contents is also shown on that formula bar. Okay, that is a single selection, single cell selection. Okay student, and to select a data in a cell, double click on that. If you want to select, double click and then move the mouse pointer. To select a data in a cell, double click on that and then move the mouse pointer and drag it and select it. Okay, one thing is also you have to press the F2 key and then you have to use the shift and arrow key to select the data in a cell. Okay, this way you can select the data. To select a range of cells, so if you want to select A1 to last, then you have to click on that and drag the mouse. This is the range of the cell. Okay, to select the range of the cell, this way you can select the range of the cell. First you click on that first cell from where you want to start, then you have to click and then drag the mouse. Okay, this is the select the range of adjacent cell. Or now select the range of non-adjacent cell, then first you click on here and then you have to press the, I will show you this, and then you have to press the CTRL key. And then select this and then press that CTRL key. I have already pressed the CTRL key. Okay, and you have to select it easily. This is known as a selection of non-adjacent cell. Okay, this way, this is the selection of non-adjacent cell. And if you want to uncheck all that selects, then you have to click again anywhere else. Okay, select the entire row, click on that row header. Look like that. This is row header. Select the entire row. If you want to select the entire column, then click on that column header. Okay, this way you can select all that column. Okay, and select a multiple, then easily you have to click the first row if you want to, and then press the shift key. I will show you. Then you have to press the shift key and then click the row header of the last row or column of the selection. This is the adjacent cell. Okay, and to select the entire worksheet, CTRL A, that is a Control A. Select all the entire worksheet. Okay, and click anywhere else. Now editing data in a worksheet, editing data in a cell. So we can follow the steps. Double click on if you want to change anything. If I want to write Shubh in the place of Shubh, I want to write Shabd, then double click on that and then easily you have to erase it. Okay, easily you have to erase it. Okay, this is known as the editing. Okay, edit any changes. If you want to change in the place of Shlok, if you want to write Rishabh, then you have to double click on that and then erase it Shlok and write Rishabh. Okay, easily you can double click on that column and erase it and write new it. Okay, overwriting on that column, overwriting is very easy. If you want to change, then you have to easily anything you want. Then Ihan Anwar, if you are on that place of Shabd, there is no deletion. If you select it and start writing, the old data is deleted and new data will be written. Okay, that is very easy. Overwriting, select the cell whose contents you want to override by clicking in it or by using the cursor control keys and type a new contents and press the enter key. Okay, then it will be written here. Okay, copying data, if you want to copy, if that date of birth we should copy, select all that, select the range of the cell that is given on your also selected data. Copying data, so select the range of cell containing the required data and open the home tab. So easily you have to select it and copy. So I will select it for you, and then there is a copy, and then if you want to paste here, then click here and then paste. Look, same data will be placed here. Okay, so that is a copying data. If you want to move that two names, that two girls, two names, if you want to cut from here and paste anywhere else, that is known as a moving data. Select the required data, open the home tab, click on the clipboard and click on the cut button, click on the first cell of a new range where you want to move the data, and click the paste button on the clipboard. If I want to that two records into any other place, move it, then you have to first you select it, and then you have to click on that cut option, cut, and then if you want to paste that data in there, then you have to click here first cell and then go on a paste, and then easily you have to see, look here, that will be pasted. Okay, so this is known as a moving data. Okay, that is shortcut keys. I think all of you, for copying there is a control C, CTRL plus C. For move, for cut the data, CTRL plus X, and for pasting the data, CTRL plus V is the shortcut key. Deleting cell contents, it also very easy. If you want to delete anything, then you have to select it, click, select the cell range or say whatever you want. Then if you want to delete that last two records, select it, and there is very easy clear option is there. First I tell you about the menus. Okay, and there is a clear all, clear contents. Okay, clear contents. Okay, if you want to that, then click on that clear content. Look, the selected data will be deleted. This way you can delete it. Okay, and if you want to delete from then keyboard, then first you select it and press the delete button. The deleted data, the data will be deleted. That is very easy, students. Okay, that is given on your book. I think all of you have also knowledge to practice it. Okay, so this way you can do this. Okay, very easily. So I will cover today's page number 75, 76 and 77. Okay, students, I think all of you understand. Thank you. Have a nice day.